Out here, out in this fucking blizzard, nigga. It's fucking break, nigga. Nigga, it's fucking white everywhere, dog. You see the car right behind me, but I don't give a fuck, nigga. You already know, nigga. I do this for my family. I do this for that paper, nigga. That's who I do it for. That's who I do it for. Bang, bang, nigga. Skirt, 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 skirt. Yo, you see the mustache? You wanna see it more? Look at these niggas. Wait to the camera, famo. Ooh, I'm out here, boy. I'm out here. Alright, I'm done, yo. It's fucking break, nigga. But I'm gonna just put this nigga on real quick and say what's good. He's too cold, nigga, for this shit, but nigga, I was out here when he fucking had no fucking houses, no tents, nigga. I was out in these blizzards, nigga.